G'day guys, how's it going? Right, in this video we've got to do the Ultimate Crew giveaway. So that is the Leatherman Bond Multi Tool, personally chosen by me, spent with my own money. This is not sponsored or anything. You get a little bloody handy dandy, whatever that is. It comes with a belt pouch. Here is the multi tool. Bloody ripper thing with this is that if I can get that on there, hopefully you can see it's engraved with biker bits on there. Pull her out. Boom. There you go. One multi-tool with all the bits and pieces for carrying along wherever you want. But on the biker it's really good. I also added this little thing, got that as an extra, and that's so that you can attach a little belt clip to this instead of running that. Right, so let's cross over to the what do they call it? The wheel of names. So I've got everybody in there. If I unhide that, does it tell me how many names? Oh no, 35 entries. So there's 35 crew members entered in here that are from Australia. Unfortunately, we can't do it for the internationals because it just costs too much to bloody send it. So I'll hide that. So apparently all I've got to do is click this and a name's going to pop up. So here we go. Making a funny little noise. And where are we? Ooh, looks like Peter Bruce from Victoria. There you go, Peter, mate. I've already got your address, so I'll be able to shoot that out to you. I'll actually contact you just to make sure that the address on the site is correct. But there you go, boom. That is one Leatherman tool thing heading your way. Now, I think our next giveaway, if I go back, which is the Soto, click on it, Mark. So it's the Soto torch extender thing. Brilliant little bit of kit, and it comes, and I've also added the extra fillable thing so you can do it with the cheap stuff. And when's that bloody being done? When have I got that coming? When's that being drawn? It's being drawn September the 9th. So that's for all paid crew members. And then for the free members and paid members, we've got the Woburn headlamp torch, and that's the 23rd of September. So we've got a few coming up. Righto, guys. Peter, good on you, mate. And all the crew members, especially the ultimate, your monthly or yearly or whatever it is, contribution to the channel is muchly appreciated. Righto, guys. Remember, keep on riding, and if you ain't riding, keep on keeping on.